Hello nail friends, with you is Mariana, and in today's video we'll do square nails, ombre and nail plate alignment with hard gel. Once I have started to do the product removal, I have noticed that the free edge is twisting, which means I have to use a hard gel here to be able to do the perfect square. For product removal, I'm using a ceramic bit, green band at speed 30,000 RPM. If you want to learn more detailed about e-file bits and product removal, check out the dedicated video for nail bits on my channel. I will leave the link down below. Here the nail plate is very thin, the free edge is twisting in, and to be able to do a perfect square which will last, and when the client is coming back to keep exactly this shape, the square, will be necessary to do the nail plate alignment using hard gel. Yes, you can use the hard gel even on natural nails, and how to do it you will see right now. I'm starting with acid-free primer. Remember, the primer works as double tape. You must use it, and I'm applying mostly on natural nails. The second layer, I'm using a rubber base coat to increase the layer of adhesion. It depends, sometimes you may use a hard gel which doesn't require a hard gel. For example, Egoista have such product line, but the cover gel is three-step system and is required to use a base coat. I will use a cover ton, and I will apply first a thin layer, like sleeping layer, and second I'm taking a bigger amount of product and I do the nail plate alignment. Here I do the product application same as a base coat, and I make sure I cover and I fix the lateral parallel. Remember, we want to have a free edge. And here, just because the natural nail plate is very thin, I didn't did the length adjustment. So I will do after I do the product application. This will help me to keep those parallels and corners 90-degree as we need for square shape. Please let me know what technique do you use when your client is asking for perfect square. With what product do you do nail plate alignment and strengthening? I can use, for example, builder gel or tube gel, but let me know what you using. For colors, I will use gel polishes from Egoista, one of my favorite, number 48, that royal blue, a lighter blue, and a pastel green. From these three colors, I will do an ombre, and we also will do a marbling design. All products are available for purchase online. I will leave links for each of them in the description down below, and definitely a coupon code which will get you a better deal from Egoista store. And definitely don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and every week you will see new educational video which will help you to boost up your nail business. Here on index I have applied the thin layer, and before I cure I'm using a liner brush and I apply the color smoothly and closer to the cuticle. And here I'm applying the second layer, and here I don't use a liner brush, so I use the liner brush only in the first layer. And here I decided to do ombre, is right. So first I'm applying a thin layer of the lighter color what I have, and here is the important to have a very thin layer, so my brush is almost dry. I will apply the acrylic powder, I will dust everything, then I will apply the colors in ombre order. I will blend the color smoothly, and voila, the ombre is done. add a extra accent, I will use the Blossom Gel. So Blossom Gel has the effect of spreading, and I have applied a little bit on my palette with white gel polish. I'm applying couple lines and wait for 10-15 seconds, and the white will start to bloom, to spread on that white layer. Then using a brush, a thin layer, apply it slowly and to create kind of waves or a border line for ombre. Cure on a lamp for 30 seconds. I seal everything with matte top coat, and I have the set ready. Just to summarize, the secret of long-lasting perfect square nails. So if a client is coming to you and you notice that the free edge when it's growing is twisted, and you notice that you are not able to do a perfect square, don't do the nail plate alignment with the base coat. Use a hard gel. Hard gel will hold the free edge with perfect parallels, and clients will be back with perfect square even in 3-4 weeks. Let me know if this video was beneficial for you. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'm looking forward to see next week on another video.